Hi everyone. I recently did a video where I said that driving on neutral does not save any amount of fuel. But as usual, there were a few doubting Thomases. There is no need of any argument. So today we are going on the road to prove it practically. I'm driving a 2007 Toyota Premio. It has what you call the live fuel gauge that reads a maximum of 99.9 kilometers per liter. Hiyo ni kama kutoka Nairobi past Naivasha ukitumia lita moja ya mafuta. Let's do this practically. Kanyaguka mafuta 99 neutral 92, 91 back to drive 99 case closed. Absolutely case closed. There we have it. Practically proven. Absolutely no doubt about it. Now, the reason why I'm doing this kind of a video is because kuna madere wengi sana wa mabasi, matrucks, malori ambao huweka neutral ama wanakanyaga clutch ndani wakati wanateremka kwa mteremko. Ati ndio waokoe mafuta. It's a very dangerous practice. It's called free wheeling. Kwanza hapo salga hatari kubwa. Ukisikia kilori kilikatika brake, most likely the driver was freewheeling. Kilori kia 20 tons kimetoka huko juu na speed ya 80 km per hour. Kimewekwa neutral. Kimeteremka kwenda kufika huko chini kurudishwa gia kinakataa. Brake nazo juu ya kukanyagwa sana zinakatikianga hapo. Jamaa anaenda kama amepita na magari zingine vibaya sana. When you think about it, it's a very very sad situation. Ati ndio wakoe mafuta ya 500. Kuna kitu kwa hizi matrucks na malori inaitwanga ati mtungi ya dere. Ati ile mafuta amesave kwa kuweka neutral, ati sasa anaenda anaikamua alafu anaiuza. Hiyo mtungi sitasema ati wachona nayo. But my advice to those drivers ni ati ukitaka hiyo mtungi ijae vizuri mafuta, hapana toa gari gear. Hapana weka neutral. Endesha gari ikiwa kwa gear. You will save more than driving it on neutral. Now, the reason why a vehicle uses more fuel on neutral than on drive is because there is a connection between this transmission and the engine and the wheels. So the moment the vehicle is going down a hill and it is on drive, the moment unakanyaguka mafuta, so the electronic computer unit notices that you are no longer using fuel. So it shuts off the supply of fuel to the engine. Now, because the vehicle is engaged on drive, it is still on gear, and the wheels are rotating, and there is a whole connection between the three. It means now the wheels shall be used to rotate the engine, or the wheels shall be used to run the engine. So it is now the other way around. But if you put it on neutral, you have disconnected the connection between the engine and the legs. Did I just say legs? You have disconnected the connection between the engine and the wheels. So that means that the wheels can no longer run the engine. But remember, the engine must keep on running. So because the wheels can no longer run the engine, so the engine must burn a small amount of fuel to keep it going. But of course, somebody will argue that this one is an automatic. That is why in a behavior, I have attached a link on a video of a manual vehicle. You go watch it out and be the judge. Thank you so much. Stay safe on the road.